Hello there. Let's hear some untold truths of international students' life.
Alright, so picture this, you're an international student, right? You've got your work-study gig, your classes, and you're trying to keep your GPA from taking a nosedive. It's like trying to balance on a hoverboard while juggling flaming torches. Seriously, it's wild. First off, time management is like playing Tetris with your schedule. You're constantly shifting things around to fit everything in. And let's talk about mental exhaustion, it's real. Switching between work mode and study mode feels like running on a treadmill with no off switch. Then there's the emotional roller coaster. Being far from home, dealing with different cultures, it messes with your vibe, you know? And don't even get me started on the financial side of things. Being an international student means dealing with extra expenses left and right. So yeah, balancing work study and academics is like being in a never-ending episode of a reality show. But hey, I'm not about to throw in the towel. I'm gonna keep hustling, keep grinding. And hey, if I need backup, I'm not afraid to ask for it. That's just how we roll.
As much as the international students experience these struggles each in their own way, it is good to acknowledge they exist and embrace help. This is why KK Solutions Hub is here to offer you exciting and super friendly tutoring deals. Let's see how we can get around those assignments without losing it all.